Walang camera. Tama ba daw? Tama ba daw?
Let's go.
What?
Thank you so much.
Thank you, thank you.
Okay, I'm locked in. Triple at the door to keep knocking. Should we stay in these clothes? We got options. Let's you got me alone to keep talking till we run out of time. How many hours pass?
Another cocktail, another day, guys. We are now here at Quezon City. So, andito tayo ngayon sa High Grounds Cafe, no, na restaurant. Na-invite tayo dito para maging private bartender nila. No? This event, guys, is private event. Ito ay launch party ng Valorant event. Kung kayo ay gamer o mahilig kayo maglaro ng games, exciting to, guys. Tara! Kakatapos ko lang mag-setup. No? By the way, guys, kasama ko si JC the bartender, Romel the bartender, Desayay. So, ito yung aking team. So, simulan na natin tong event. Serving your whiskey highball. What's your order, ma'am?
Whiskey highball.
Whiskey highball.
Whiskey highball.
So, bali dalawa. Justin. Justin, the bartender.
Maya.
Sanay.
Okay.
Ang mga bagay na and there is kasi balita ko, this is your first time.
Yummy.
Ito yung may sugar.
Thank you.
Ito yung wala.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, thank you.
Isa dating guwaba at isa pong the London Martini ulit.
Walang camera.
Nasaan natin kuya mo, Justin?
Pero before that, so much time natin. There's a lot of personalities.
My vlog. Ano may beer pa kasama?
Combo. Combo na. Tama ba daw? Tama ba daw? So this one is ating dalagdan. Whether one for pop.
Let's go.
Justin the Batin, Justin walang king.
After ko magtimpla, tinawag ako ng organizer para mag-photoshoot. So ayan, tinuturuan niya tayo paano mag-post-post. Magpapakit muna tayo, guys.
No one sees me like this. Got that heat like stress. I need a second to breathe like. Okay, I'm locked in. Triple at the door to keep knocking. Should we stay in these clothes? We got options.
Ngayon guys, mag-serve tayo ng signature drink kay Miss Suzy. So siya yung nagpa-event dito. Kasama yung president and head ng Valorant. I-serve natin tong JTB Cinnamon Drip. No? Whiskey base. So I infuse it in roasted almond and cinnamon. With sweetness din and sourness. So twist lang natin.
Wow.
So sa kada ano ko, lagi ako nagbibigay ng ganito. Try it, sir. How's the drink, sir?
Sweet. It's movie.
What's special yan?
Really smooth. Really smooth.
I called it JTB Cinnamon Drip. Thank you, sir.
Isang pasta.
Oh, boss. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Pagka-serve ko ng signature cocktails, nagsimula na ang walwalan.
Yummy.
Nakatapos na natin private event dito sa High Grounds. Grabe, sobrang solid ng event ng Valorant. I'm so grateful na na-invite tayo ng president ng Valorant dito sa ganitong klaseng event. No? So, kung gusto nyo ba ng ganitong content, comment nyo lang Valorant. Itutuloy natin yung ganitong content. Comment nyo Valorant. See you next time, guys.